What's up, y'all? Time for some shop upgrades. So I got these awesome lights on Amazon. They were the best they had. They had the best reviews. They had the best everything. So let's check them out. Hopefully they'll do a good job for us. All right, so here's my lighting setup right now. I got these old T8 fluorescents up here, and they work when they want to work. So that's not gonna cut it, right? So you see right here, I tried to replace the ballast on these and it worked for like a day. Yeah, I'm not fooling with it anymore. They're all coming down. And that's gonna be fun because we're gonna have to get up in the rafters and work upside down with the ladder and all kinds of stuff. So they work when they want to. When it's super cold, they don't even come on at all. I get like one light out here. Dude, it's bad. So the light is acceptable right now, but it's not quite bright enough. And yeah, it's not very good for filming. And they hum like crazy too, listen. Not gonna cut it for filming, guys. It's annoying. I got a bunch of new ballasts. I was gonna swap them out, but you know what? It's not worth it. I got a better idea. All right, so here's the solution. LED lights. These are high bay lights. I'm sure y'all are familiar with these. These are hyper lights. These were the best reviewed ones on Amazon and on the internet I could find. These are 150 watt lights, 21,000 lumens each. I bought these. They didn't send them to me, so it's an honest review here. But these things are going to be awesome, guys. Look at them. Look at all those LEDs. I tested them out at night and it lit up the whole woods. Like, it was super bright. It's got this nice hook on it. You hang them up there. They're dimmable. You can dim them with the regular dimmer. It's got this nice cord right here. We're gonna have to plug it up, rewire a bunch of stuff, but these things are gonna be crazy good, guys. These ones are waterproof with a 5-year warranty. They got these gnarly cooling fins on here as a heat sink to cool it down. And the driver, this part, is spaced away from the light, so it helps dissipate the heat so that that thing didn't just soaked in friggin' heat. Here's some specs for you. And it has a safety lanyard here so you can wrap it up there so if it falls, it's not gonna kill anybody or hurt any of your cars. I got 4 of them, so we're gonna do like a grid up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and space them out evenly. Them boys are going 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm probably taking these down. I might leave them up. I don't know. They hum too, and I don't like them anymore, so I'll probably take them down. So I love these things. I use them for filming all the time, but they are not strong enough for ceiling lights. They do a pretty good job for down here, though. Let's see what we got. Dedicated 15 amp outlet that I wired a long time ago just for my lights. See? Lights only. 1.5 amps times 4. 6 amps total, so we should be good. We can do 15 amps on that circuit. It's all wired in 14 gauge, number 14 wire. AWG 14. We can put 15 amps on this wire. Get some of these wire cutters, they'll help. Nom 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 nom. They're much better than these style. They're also 5000 K temperature, which makes it awesome for filming. They ain't all yellow like old incandescent light bulbs. We got our parts all laid out. Some standard 15 amp outlets. Those are cheap, like 80 cents. Oh yeah. We got some hanging hooks so we can hang these things. I got some strong chains. They should hold those lights up there, no problem. It fits perfectly on this hook. See, it'll hang just like that. Here's before. You can see how dark it is. Yeah, not gonna cut it. They should be way more energy efficient too, so we need to get the old ones down and the new ones up. Let's go find us a ladder. That was easy. That thing is bright, so I'm trying to figure out how to space this thing and get a good even lighting so I can raise and lower it with this and get it just where I want it, to try to get it right in the center of the floor, get it all spaced out. I got this grid all drawn up here. This should help me figure it out. I measured the distance from the wall and made a plumb bob to get it all squared up. That way they'll all be the same. Looking good. We're gonna have to play with the height. till we get it to light up just where we want it. Get this outlet hooked up. I love wiring these things, so easy. Always put the hook the way it's going so when you tighten it down, it tightens up the hook, it doesn't loosen it. So it goes clockwise. All wired up. It looks good. Let's test it out. Man, that is bright. Look how bright that is compared to the other ones. Oh my gosh. That is way better. One down, 3 more to go, guys. Number 2. Number 3. Oh yeah, super bright. Number 4. Oh yeah, man, they're all up. Man, that is bright. That is so bright. Here's the carnage so far. Man, these things are old. They serve their purpose, but man, you can see these things are not in good shape. These old magnetic ballasts, they hum like crazy and they're not energy efficient at all. And they got this goop in them that insulates them and this stuff's oozing out everywhere. Right there, right there, right there. Yeah, that's probably a fire hazard. It doesn't matter because now we got brand new high efficiency LED lights. You can see how bright it is all down here. Man, those are good lights. This is gonna make a huge difference for filming, guys. Let's put that garage door opener up. This old opener is busted, it's coming down. I got a new one. It's got a bunch of good stuff in here. We're gonna have to build a new track. Let's put the garage door opener up. All right, we got it up. Let's test it out. Boop. Sweet. Boop. Awesome, it works great. All right, y'all, so the lights came out. Awesome, that is gonna give us some great extra lighting for filming. Make sure you check out the links in the description if you wanna get the exact same lights on Amazon. I'll put them down there for you. The garage door opener came out awesome too. Make sure y'all subscribe down below for part 2 when we do something with the floors. I got some great ideas on what I wanna do with that. And don't forget to drop me some thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and comment, let me know what you think. I'll check y'all on the next one. Peace.